Hello and welcome to ALeePlanning. My name is Ashley, and today I will be sharing with you my personal review on the Creating Digital Stickers course. So early last year in 2021, I wanted to learn about digital planners, so I took a course by the Secret Owl Society to teach me how to create them. After purchasing, I was later added to their Facebook group for that course. It was a wonderful group of ladies. If you ever had questions, you can ask, and someone within the group will answer your question. Without knowing at the time who Michelle was, Michelle is the creator of the digital sticker course. I would see her name pop up from time to time, and she would just help answer questions or just give us advice about the digital planners or digital stickers. So after completing the digital planner course, I decided I wanted to learn how to create stickers, just to add more value to my planners. But searching through the group, I saw that Michelle's course was highly recommended by a lot of the students. So I took her course and I loved it. So I'll go ahead and just give you an overview of the course. So the course is created by Michelle, and this is her here. So in the course, Michelle teaches you how to create post-it notes, shapes, washi tape, picture frames, widgets, and more. She teaches the course using Canva, PicMonkey, Apple Keynote, and Affinity Publisher. So when I took the course, I decided to take the Affinity Publisher path. I took the path due to the previous course that I mentioned above, because it was taught in Affinity Publish as one of the versions. So at the time of the course, there wasn't templates for Affinity. However, Michelle did an amazing job teaching. She gets straight to the point and she breaks it down so simply, and that I was able to create my own sticker template for my stickers. And I just want to show you what it looks inside of the Affinity Publisher. So each lesson is broken down even further than what you see here. And you could just tell she put so much time and dedication into the course. So updates are constantly made to the course. You have lifetime access. She has now added 10 templates to Affinity course. The Affinity section. Keynote and the Canva one also has templates, and they was already in those sections when I purchased. So I like to check back every month in the course just to learn more tips and tricks from her. In addition to teaching you how to create stickers, she shows you how to package them for your customers, and that's in step 3. So she breaks down each option of how you can deliver your stickers to your customers. So she makes you think, do you want to offer just a PNG file? Do you want to send them a GoodNotes file? Or do you want them directly in your planner? She goes over the benefits of each so you can decide what is best for you and your customer. And this section also has a sticker book template where you can customize it and sell to your customers as well, or if you want to give it as a bonus, or however you shall choose. Next, you'll learn how to market them. This was really important to me. I've already been on Etsy at this time. I also sell printables in another shop where I do party favors, and there's a big difference in sales after I started taking tips from her, because in my other shop I already had like 60 sales, but after implementing what she has taught, it's just a brand new shop and I'm already above 60 sales. So you take what she teaches and you just implement it, and you're destined to see changes. It's not in one of those quick get rich schemes. It's going to take a lot of time and effort, but she tells you exactly how to market them, on what you should include in your Etsy listings, how to promote your stickers, different pricing strategies, and she also helps you film your stickers to show your potential customers what they will look like and how to use them. And I use these for my digital planners as well, the method that she has taught. So I love that she has created templates for Etsy and Pinterest images. She literally takes the guessing work out of things. Any questions you may have, it is more than likely inside of this course. If you're still worried about questions from your customers, she gives you access to the digital planner hub. And this is what it looks like here. So with this hub, you can send your customers here to learn how to do digital planning if they're like real new to this, how to use GoodNotes. She also shows how to use it in note shelves, and she also has iPad tips. So I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed as this course is just jam-packed with so much information. So I will do a time lapse of me working on some of the digital stickers. I normally wait until the evening time when my daughters are in bed, just turn on some YouTube and start creating stickers. If I already have a color palette ready or digital paper that I want to use, it will take me less than about 15 minutes or so to change the color of my stickers with the templates that Michelle has created. I really love the Affinity templates because you don't have to crop the stickers, which if you ever created stickers or anything, the cropping can take a long time. So this is a huge time saver. So I like to offer my stickers in PNG and GoodNotes file. So in total, with the whole process, it may take about an hour, not including the time to upload it to Etsy. I try to break down my days so I don't get overwhelmed with my planners and the printables and my digital stickers, and that's just a story for another day. So yeah, I'll show you a quick time lapse on how I use the templates. So while I wait for this to export, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to see how easy it will be to use Michelle's templates. If you'd like to purchase this course, I will leave a link to Michelle's course. This is an affiliate link. This means that if you make a purchase through my link, I'll get a commission at no extra cost to you. And I only refer products that I purchase myself and love. So thank you again so much for your support. Please like and consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day.